are our 2 samples that we picked from the snail farm, and then we are going to test it out. So we are disposing it into another. So
it's not the lab.
Oh, okay.
Let me take you to the lab.
Whoa, it's beautiful. Oh, okay. Awesome.
That we use for the determination of heavy metals.
Oh, okay. So it's a graphite tube atomizer, used to detect heavy metal in the soil.
The other one is the atomic absorption spectrophotometer. That's a micronutrient that is high plasma.
So it means someone can do mineral tests for gold and other.
Gold we don't do because that is not part of
the mandate.
That's not part of our mandate. So we don't go into that. Sure.
But at least you can detect that it is in that.
Also, I can choose these are some of the that is phosphorus, ammonium nitrates,
pH meter.
This one is a parallel entry for meter. So this one can do analysis without destroying it.
Wow,
that is the right sample.
Wow, nice. So it means in the near future you can do on spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's nice.
So basically, that are some of the instruments that we use to run around.
Wow. Impressive. This is the first time I've heard that
we have something like that.
Always we've been hearing of other schools and other centers. Wow, nice. Okay. Let's go around the class. So, can we get one test? Like the one we get something like that. We go to shops around that sells. So the sample that we took, is it adequate? That's about right. For, let's say, pH level on film.
Oh yeah. It's easy.
Okay.
We have a flow meter, so you can just take, you get your distilled water, you take it to the flow. You have a plastic container which you it's just a rough idea.
Yeah.
So you don't weigh, but with this place we weigh everything. So you take.
So we can get some at
if you want to buy a pH meter, then I would have to give you the address of somebody because that place I don't think they sell pH meter. I'll send you the bill for the person.
Also,
the soil constituents, the mineral constituents, when you want to analyze, it means that you do the soil pH, the soil organic carbon, the percentage total nitrogen, the organic matter, the exchangeable bases, which include the calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium, then the availability of phosphorus in the soil. Then we come to the particle size distribution, which takes the percentages of sand, silt, and clay in the soil. So that can inform you on the textural quality
and the soil capacity as well.
Yeah, if you want to do that as well, you can do it. Then you come to the soil heavy metals and the micronutrients. It's optional, so that's not included in normally routine analysis. But maybe if you feel that maybe your land may contain this, then we can analyze for cadmium, arsenic, nickel, lead, zinc, copper, manganese, and iron. But zinc, copper, manganese, and iron is generally for agricultural purposes. When you want to do phytoremediation or heavy metal analysis, that is when these heavy metals are coming. So what we will be doing on your soils would be here. This to this place. This to this place. That's our 13 parameters.
Okay,
yeah.
Parameters.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, awesome.
So that is how it
Great.
is.
Okay. So when can we get it?
Normally, you see, your soil sample is wet. You get it. So you have to air dry, or you open dry at a temperature of, let's say, 30 degrees room temperature. So it's when it's dry that you take it to the sieving room, where they just crush the ovens in it or the small lumps in it. Then they sieve through a 2mm machine. Then after that, the sample is brought to the lab for the analysis to continue. So definitely with this one, we'll start analysis on it on Monday because it will have to be dry, sieved before the analysis.
Okay, so that has been our soil testing. We are at the
Soil Research Institute, Chemistry Lab.
Okay, Soil Research Institute, Chemistry Lab, and then we are testing our soil samples that we took at one facility. So we took 2 of them, but rather unfortunately they're wet, so we have to let it dry, and then we can start. So that has been our soil exploration exercise.